Hello my beautiful friends, and today I'm going to share with you how to properly apply cosmetic camouflage. Now cosmetic camouflage is when you have, see, like I have a small skin tag here, I have a little bit of actinic keratosis here. If you have hyperpigmentation, scars, lupus, rosacea, anything that you want to camouflage, you can try Dermablend, and I'm going to show you how to apply it properly. Step one, my friends, is going to be always exfoliation. If you apply any foundation or any camouflage product without exfoliating, it's not going to work, and you're going to have this superficial, cakey, flaky looking skin. Now, depending on your skin type, if you have very sensitive skin, you can use very fine rice flour exfoliation, okay? So just exfoliate gently with fine rice flour, see my highlights, and you can then exfoliate using that. So I'm going to use Clear Day 1% AHA and mix with a little bit of rice flour or physical exfoliation. So I've already done that. So all my canvas is very clean and exfoliated. I've removed the dead cells. And then you're going to prime your skin. So I love to prime my skin using a few things. So guys, I'm going to prepare my skin with hyaluronic acid. I always like to use that. And you're going to apply any moisturizer. Okay, so this is important step. So either you can use Cicaplast, you can use Term Nutritive. I like this one. You can use a thicker one if you like, but I prefer these two. You can use CeraVe. Okay, you can use Ultra Balm. Okay, you can use anything, any moisturizer. The aim is to moisturize. Now, if you don't want to moisturize, I personally like to use my ARG capsule or any silicone-based product. Now I'm going to shake this really well. Okay, shake it. And I'll open it and show you. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's not very thick, but slightly thick. Okay. And if you want a really long-lasting one, then you can use the primer by Dermablend. I'm just going to show you. So use the primer by Dermablend. That's going to make your surface very smooth and make your foundation last very long. Okay, now if you want light coverage, 1 drop. If you want heavy coverage, 2 drops. So depending on how how much the degree of coverage that you need, that's the amount of drops you need to take. So I don't wear makeup a lot. I'm going to show you with 1 drop, and let's see how it performs. Okay, so for instance, I want to use this. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's pretty tinted. Okay, so 1 drop, as you can see, okay, goes on. See? So let me apply it all over and show you. You can use a brush. You can blend it with a brush. You can blend it with your fingers, under eye circles. Okay. And there's also a concealer for under eye circles. Okay. Okay. Now remember, if your face is not moisturized, you're going to have a lot of difficulty. So as you can see, this is almost gone. Blend it really well. If you want, you can take an extra pump of this, okay, Ultra Balm or any moisturizer, and you can really cover it well. Okay, blend. Use a blender, makeup blender if you want those sponges. I basically don't use makeup, so I don't buy those things. And blend it. If you want, this is a bit flaky, you can also use a moisturizer to keep on, to have a beautiful moisturization is important, to get a beautiful blend. And then if you want, if you're going out, you can use a highlighter or whatever. I mean, I don't know, whatever you like. Okay, so under eye circles. Okay guys, and it's going to take a while, and you can use a sponge, a brush, whatever you like to blend. I'm just showing you, and as an example, you can blend it. Okay. Okay guys, I blended it. If you're going out, you can use a little bit of a lip tint. Okay, and you can just put it on the cheekbones. Okay, use a brush. I'm just using to add a little bit of color. Okay, a little bit here, a little bit on the nose, and like I said, you can use a highlighter if you like, just to give a bit of color. And of course, you know how to do your own makeup. I'm just showing you that Dermablend. It can act as a foundation and as a cosmetic camouflage. So I've got a little bit of tint here. Okay. Okay guys, lip liner. And to finish the look, I'm just going to do a little bit of lip gloss. The one I'm using is beautiful actually. It's Lancome. I love this one. And it's very hydrating, and I have sensitive skin, so this really agrees with me. I love the Lancome. Guys, this is a pretty one. It's iconic. I don't wear makeup, but then if I do, I just like a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to put a little glitter. And this is a beautiful one, and I just like to do it all over. See, this is so natural. So natural. And you can use a primer for your eyes. I basically just use this foundation. And this way, you're applying less eyeshadows, less makeup, and getting a beautiful natural look. See? So less eyeshadow, less rubbing. You don't want to rub your eyes. Okay, so let's look at this gorgeous tint. I'm going to finish it with my favorite. You can use any you like, but I love Bad Girl. This is by Benefit. Benefit is one of my favorite cosmetic brands. So Benefit and Iconic, and this is by, it's actually Iconic, that's the name of the brand. If you want, you can set your foundation. If you want it to really last for a long time, you can set it. I'm using this, but there's another one by the loose setting foundation by Dermablend. So it's a loose setting powder by Dermablend, and you can use that. I'm just going to use this, and you can just, you know, just set it, and that's really your choice. If you want to give a little smoky eye look, you can use this. I'm using the gray color by Lancome. Okay, guys. And so this is the final look, okay? So not very heavy, light, great for the summer. So you have a little mascara, a very light tint to your eyes, and a little bit of gloss. And you've covered up your scars and little imperfections using the beautiful Dermablend. So I hope this was useful. So there is occasions coming up, religious occasions coming up. So I hope this Dermablend can help you. And I enjoyed this weekend makeup tutorial. And I don't do a lot of makeup, but I did it specially for you. Love to all of you.